Hey friends, if you wish to fix battery drain issues in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Here's what we have to do. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and select power and battery in the right pane. Wait till it loads. It needs a while to load this page. Now we will try each and every option one by one. First of all, power mode. Change it for best power efficiency. Screen and sleep timeouts, keep it at an average time instead of never. And then energy saver, you can turn it on. Okay, and then battery usage, keep a check on it to check the current status of the battery life. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.